James is an aircraft technician whose job is to complete maintenance event at hand on time and make sure the aircraft is fit to fly. It is quite common in his nature of work to seek assistance from fellow technicians, engineers, supervisors, and other departments while working on maintenance events. And he typically does that using phone call, email, or any social media messaging apps. This makes it difficult for everybody to be on the same platform and increases the burden to access multiple hardware and impacts deliveries on time. Not anymore! With Ramco's remote collaboration tool integrated within their Mechanic Anywhere mobile app, James can interact with his colleagues through the same mobile device in which he accesses the task card document electronically. He can instantly chat with his colleague and attach the images of the incident found to get immediate assistance. That's not all. Through video calling, he can use Whiteboard to discuss the incident found, or use screen share, enabling James getting near real-time assistance using the same device. Remote collaboration is a great tool that increases productivity and provides instant gratification to the mechanics.